Hey guys, this is Welshy from WELSHYTECH. Okay, this is another video I'm doing now. This is me showing the differences between mechanical and a gaming keyboard. Now, my latest video on the ROC Cat compact gaming keyboard was a success for me anyway. But this video is more about why I chose mechanical over a basic gaming keyboard. Now, I'm going to show you my last keyboard, which was from Steel Series. It was the Apex, which at the time cost me £52, but this was a couple of years ago. Now it's only got a backlit keyboard. Now the buttons and the strokes on them ain't too bad. I have actually had this a while. The reason I picked it was because of the big design as well as the strength and quality. Now, the only problem I had with it is now and then when I'd restart my computer, keyboard wouldn't come on at all, which in the end bugged me. So I decided to go mechanical. Now the thing about mechanical is the keystrokes. Now my new keyboard has got Cherry MX Blue keys, which is mechanical keys. They are removable and they are changeable. Now it's not exactly, I wouldn't say RGB. It's got RGB there, but it's only got like 3-4 modes. Now the problem with that obviously is I've actually got problems with LED lights. If I got flashing lights, I'm not epileptic or anything, but I tend to have headaches. So I've got on still light where it doesn't flash or nothing. So that's why I wanted one. Also my case and my PC has got RGB, but they're all unstable, they're all on normal, all in red. So this is the video. This is just the beginning. The second part is going to be me telling you the differences between why I chose mechanical over the standard gaming. I hope you enjoy the video. Please continue to watch. This is Welshy out. Are you looking for a new gaming computer? Are you looking for a new gaming case? Are you looking for any sort of gaming components? Maybe a custom built computer, maybe a £10,000 custom water cooled system. Okay, well if that's the case, go and check out overclockers.co.uk. They have some of the best deals in the UK. Also, they have the best delivery service in the UK. You get a pack of Haribos with every order. So please, link for overclockers.co.uk will be in the description. Don't forget to check out and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further more videos. This is Welshy out. Hello everyone, this is Welshy from WELSHYTECH. Right, this is the continuation of the video I just said. This is why I chose mechanical over the basic gaming keyboard style. Now, keystrokes are okay on this. Right, the Steel Series, so it's a good brand. This one, oh, I love the, yeah, look, right, there's the, now, what you do is when it's like this, and it goes, boom, goes. Now, the reason why I chose mechanical was for one reason. This keyboard by here was on its way out. I was having a lot of problems with it when I was restarting the computer. Now and then the keyboard wouldn't even come on. I wasn't even able to touch any of the functions, nothing. I had to literally get up, take out the cable and put it back in. Then it would work. But this was doing it continuously now for ages and ages and ages, weeks upon weeks. In the end, I got fed up with it. I thought, bugger it, I'm hearing so much good things about mechanical keyboards. I thought, bugger it, I'll give it a chance. And to be honest, I'm not a keyboard person. I mean, as long as it's a keyboard, I don't care. But this was very interesting for me, as I am actually, I might put videos on YouTube, but I'm also a watcher of YouTube videos. I like Linus Tech Tips, Jay's 2 Cents, Bitwit, Paul's Hardware Canucks, all those type, the big ones. And all I have from Linus Tech Tips is mechanical keyboards. I've watched a couple of his videos on mechanical keyboards, the best ones to the price. This one be worth £30 on eBay. I found, when I first started using it, I love the click sound. Listen to this. It's beautiful. I love the click, it's gorgeous. My old keyboard, it's alright. I mean, you got all these different function keys and all that, but I wasn't using them. Also, look at the sheer size difference. Put them next to each other. Look at the size on that. Now, there's literally about that much. There's literally about 2 inches more length, right? Okay, so what more? Watch this. Alright, there's the keyboard by there. Now I'm going to put this by here, pick it up, and put it by there. Now, look at that. Now that has got to be, what, about 2 inches, maybe a bit more, of width. Height, as well. There's a huge difference in height. Now, if I pick this up, put this by here, like that. Now you're going to see the difference. Look at the size difference in the height. Now, I can't particularly get this any lower, but what I'll do is pick this up, put this by here. Sorry for the stupid angle, but look at the height difference. At least half an inch, maybe more. So, I mean, that is crazy. Now, okay, so, okay, sorry for that little wobble. So, yeah, that's why I chose. Now, I actually enjoy the click sound of the mechanical keyboards. I've listened to it on Linus Tech Tips a bunch of times. I've always enjoyed it. Now, that's okay, but that's beautiful. So yeah, that's why the reason I chose mechanical. Now this keyboard right here, £30. It's got amazing features. I love the RGB. It's also, I mean, there's little to no flex. I mean, it is, and it's heavy. This little bit of flex, but this is also good quality. So yeah, my conclusion: if you're going to get an RGB mechanical keyboard, I suggest getting a TechNet, because at this moment £30 is a bargain. I'll put the link for this in the description as well as their website. If you're going from an old generic gaming keyboard with the massive layout and all the buttons and fancy buttons, then I suggest getting in the mechanical. Yes, Cherry MX Blue. Yeah, they're not rated for the highest, but still, each key is being 50 million times used in the factory. For each click, 50 million times usage to make sure that each key doesn't break at once. And also, the best thing about mechanical keyboards is each key can be replaced. That's the best thing about it. Now here, one little bit on the actual board, on the PCB at the back, which has got all these little traces on. One goes, that's it. That key is gone. This is individual keys. Individual. Now, come here, let me show you. That. Now, there's a little thing at the back there, a little yellow thing. Now, that you use to actually take the key out. Now, I haven't used it, so I'm not 100% sure how it works, and I don't particularly want to show you on camera. Not particularly, no. So, yeah, right, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I recommend getting mechanical if you're upgrading. So, this is Welshy out.